Okay, so in number 6, we've got some information about employment, males and females. And the key here is that there's only one thing happening. We've just got information. And so this is all we have to worry about. We can use the table to figure out the probabilities in this particular case. So let's take a look at this. All right, so what they want to know, M is the event that a person is male. All right, so that's easy enough. And they want to find the probability of M happening. Well, let's put some totals on these columns and the rows, and then let's make sure everything adds up right. Because all we've got to do is take the men, which is going to be 618, and divide it by the total number of people, which is 1281, and that's going to give us 206 over 427. Now in part 2, they want to know the probability of M and E. E is they're being employed. So the probability of being a male and being employed, well, let's see, we got males and employed, so that's going to be 412 over 1,281. All right, so part 3, it says, are M and E independent events? Justify your answer. Okay, so keep in mind, independent events are when the probability of A times the probability of B equals the probability of A and B both happening. Now, in this case, obviously, we don't have A's and B's. We have the probability of M times the probability of E equaling the probability of M and E. Now, we've already figured out M and E. So probability of men is 618 over 1281. And the probability of being employed, that's going to be 717 over 1281. And so the big question of the day is that when I multiply those together, is it going to equal 412 over 1281? Nope, it doesn't. So because probability of M times probability of E doesn't equal the probability of M and E, they're not independent. All right, in part 4, we're talking about a conditional probability. Here, because I got the table, they're telling me it's given the person's unemployed, so I know it's got to be dealing with this column. And so the females are 358 out of 564. That reduces to 179 over 282. All right. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.